Hey guys, so this is the gele I want to tie. This rose one. So the ratio for the gele is 50-50 ratio. So this is the gele I want to use. So this is it guys, 50-50 ratio. So from the middle like this, I'll divide it just an inch like this, then place it on my modest edge. Then I'll create like 5 pleats. Then I will extend it. I will extend the hand of the pleat, guys. So I want to extend the hand of the pleat. So I'm doing the same thing here also. I'm extending the hand of the pleat, guys. So then I'll be crossing the both hand at the back like this. Then twist it. Give it to your model or your client to hold it for you. Do the same thing here. Like that. Oh, really continue and twist. So I've twisted both and just like this, guys. This is how our gele is. Then twist it. Remember the ratio is 50-50 ratio. Twist the other side. Then bring it to the front like this. To the front like this. Look at what I'm doing, guys. Like this. Just like this. Then roll it like this. Tell your model to hold it down. Hold this one down like this. Twist it like this. Tell your model to hold one down for you. Then the other one now, the other hand now, just look at the way I'm doing it, guys. Just look at the way I'm doing it. If you like if you want it to be secured very well, you can tie it like this. This is just an option for you, or you can just go ahead and start making your rose. And tie it like this. Then start doing your rose. And do it like this. Just look at what I'm doing, guys. Then I'll use office paint to paint it down here. Just like that. Then the other hand now, guys, I'll do it like this. Like this. Then use pin to pin it down here also at the middle there. So that is it, guys. This gele is not hard. All the gele that we are seeing on Instagram, they are not hard. If we just see a tutorial to watch, you will see that the gele is not hard. So I will be pushing it back a little bit, and that is it, guys. This is the finished look. So just let me know if you have any question, guys. I'm here for you. Just let me know if you have any question. So this is the finished look, guys. This is the finished look. So let me know if you have any question. I'm here to answer you guys. So that is it, guys.